Hello, my name is Siddhi Devi. I am an architecture student studying in third year from Idea College, Nashik. My topic is to design mass housing scheme for senior citizen. The brief talks about to design a scheme for 60 plus year citizens in Nashik. The aim for this type of development is to provide secured physical and emotional living spaces for its habitant. The response is to required to explore wisdom in the design. The spaces should emphasize to create a quality of life through design. The key points to be explored in the integral part of design are: number 1, sustainable architecture with provisions for rainwater harvesting, solar energies, reusing of influents. Number 2, exploring cultural and traditional relationship in contemporary times. Number 3, connectivity, that is extending community bonding within and also to adjacent neighborhoods. Also, efficient site development planning with due consideration for future expansion. Also, to build and unbuild spatial relationship. So, I choose three case studies which has different culture, climate, and typology of the structure. First was Zakir Hussain Cooperative Housing Society, New Delhi by architect Raj Rewal. Second, a university housing, Gandia in Spain by Gulan Architects. And third is the housing project in Switzerland by Sinzel Architects. The three of the structures are different by its area and the climatical condition of the site. So, this particular analysis of three case studies in terms of plans, site, sections, everything gave me an idea to design my scheme for housing of senior citizen. Site analysis. So, the site is located in Nashik near Vadaya Pathadi Road. The site is quite plain and flat land. Towards the west side, there is already an existing property connected to the site, and on the eastern side, there is a small yoga center. The site is connected to the highway, and on the opposite side of the site, there is an existing developing area. And at the distance of 1 kilometer from the site, there are located facilities such as hospitals, schools, airports, petrol pump, and market area. As Nasik is an hill station, the climate is quite cold, so the summers are warm, the winters are cold, and there is a heavy rain during rainy seasons. So, as per the brief, only 50%, that is 20,000 square meter of the site is to be used for the development, and the rest of the site to be left for the future expansion. The part of the site choose for the scheme is the front side of the site, which is connected to the internal road and the highway. Hence, there will be ease of access. So, the concept is there is no concept, but considering good vision, the access should be easy and proper. Number of interactive places should be created, especially for these typology of people, that is 60 plus, like understanding their particular way of living and their requirement. And also there should be a proper maintenance of hygiene. So these are the individual unit plans according to the requirement. The first one is of 40 square meter, second is of 55 square meter, and the third one is of 80 square meter. The second row tells about the column layout of the units. The other row is the alternative layout, in which, since there is no change in the layout, but the change is made in the projection of the unit, that is in the balcony side and the room side. A box window is provided for every single unit since the vision is quite clear than the regular one. This is the master plan. The entrance is from the eastern side from the 9 meters wide road. As we enter to the site, there is a watchman cabin on the left side. As we go further, there are the shops. The reason they are provided there, hence there will be an easy access from the roadside for the loading and unloading of the shops. Also, the parking is provided near the shop and a small green area. On the left side from the entrance, there is a healthcare center provided. On the right side, there are three blocks of 55 square meter unit connected with a common duct. In the center, there is a 40 square meter unit block. Next, there are three blocks of 80 square meter connected with the common duct. The internal road width is of 9 meters. The center space is the green area surrounded with the trees and designed by the mounts. As there are some seatings provided in the mount, Pathways is with the width of 2 meters within the center green space, and a small fountain area surrounded by seating is provided. On the other side of the green space, there are amenity areas provided, in which there is a common canteen area with the capacity of 100 peoples, a multipurpose hall with the capacity of 350 peoples with a common toilet. Then there is a small guest house, an indoor game area, a swimming pool, a yoga room, and a library area is provided. To reach the amenity spaces, there are ramps provided. This is the view of the green space from where a swimming pool and library area is seen. There are two ramps running from the opposite side through the amenity spaces. This is a 40 square meter unit with its respective section and elevation and its view. This is the 55 square meter unit with its respective section and elevation with its view. And this is 80 square meter unit with its section. This view shows us sitting within the mount in the green space which is connected to the 9 meters internal road. These are the side sections. The height of the building is 24 meters from the silt level and the plinth of 0.5 meters. The parking is provided in the basement. This shows a 9-meter wide road surrounded by trees and green space leads to the 80 square meter unit. This view shows 80, 40 and 55 square meter units.